System errors causing the msv1-0 library DLL crashes in Microsoft Authentication Package, NTLM. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the msv1-0 library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the msv1-0 library, the Microsoft Authentication Package, v1.0. It manages localized NTLM authentication routines, secure user login credential hashes, and localized password verification handshakes within the Windows security subsystem. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as msv1-0 library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the msv1-0 library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Keep in mind that msv1-0 library DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing msv1-0 library dependencies. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing msv1-0 library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.